Piraeus Gate is moving from vision to execution, a 105,000 square meter mixed-use development now actively under construction, positioned at one of the most strategic gateways of the Athens metropolitan area. This is not a concept. It is a project in progress. Designed as a fully integrated urban destination, Piraeus Gate combines serviced apartments, contemporary residences, premium office spaces, and dynamic retail into a single cohesive ecosystem, structured to generate diversified, long-term value. The development responds directly to strong demand fundamentals in Piraeus: expanding infrastructure, port activity growth, metro connectivity, and increasing interest from international investors. Targeting LEED neighborhood certification, the project aligns sustainability with long-term asset performance, ensuring operational efficiency and future-proof positioning. Awarded for excellence in design and urban impact, Piraeus Gate has already been recognized as a benchmark development within the Greek real estate market. Construction is progressing, capital is deployed, value is being created. Strategically located, institutionally structured, and architecturally defined, Piraeus Gate represents a rare, large-scale urban regeneration opportunity in Greece. For investors seeking resilient assets in a transforming European market, this is more than participation. It is positioning. Piraeus Gate, building the next chapter of Piraeus.